I'm going to teach you how to make this transition. First, you select the 2 clips and drag them into the timeline. Move above the clip you need to mask and make sure that both clips are the same length. Then go to the color page and click on the mask tool. Choose the curve selector and drag the clip from the beginning. Zoom in and keyframe the corrector. Create the mask. In my case, I am going to mask the door, but you can try with different things. Soften the mask as you like. Click the transparency button because it's very important. Go further with the clip. And as you see, you need to readjust the mask. Don't worry, we will not do this frame by frame. We will do like 5 or 6. After you finish the last frame with the mask, you add an alpha output and connect it to your node. Now you have the mask effect. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Subscribe for more.